Hi, I'm Richard at the Grass Pad. Today we're going to talk about our idiot-proof lawn care program, why we use it, and how it works. We put the program on a bright yellow sheet with easy-to-follow, idiot-proof steps. The program starts in the early spring and goes through the early winter. We're going to feed the lawn when it's hungry. We're going to prevent the weeds. We're going to control the weeds. We're going to allow a fall overseeding to mimic Mother Nature and to keep your lawn thick, lush, and green. Our customers that use all the steps see the most success in their yard. So for your convenience, we've bundled it together at a big discount. The first application in the season is Prevent. The Prevent contains both professional slow-release turf food and crabgrass preventer. We're going to follow that up with the Weed and Feed to control our broadleaf weeds. In the summertime, we're going to need to extend our crabgrass prevention with a booster shot of Prevent. Come fall, apply Renovator to relieve the summer stress. The most important step to finish the season strong is Snowman Winter Root Builder. Come on down to the Grass Pad. We'll see you soon.
Come on down to the Grass Pad. The Grass Pad's high on